Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, A Life Well Lived. I thought I'd introduce myself basically by showing you my beautiful yard. I've lived in this house for 4 years, and it's my roommate who's actually the keeper of the yard. She's a real animal lover, and this is her house. She's lived here for 20 some odd years. The opportunity came for me to move in here about 4 years ago, and so I did. I'm really grateful to be here. We live in what some people would call a patio home, but we live in a cul-de-sac, and because we live in the cul-de-sac, we have a huge backyard. I'm showing you this in the daytime because in the morning I really want to plan to I want to show you the birds and the bird feeder, but I don't won't be able to concentrate and show you all of this stuff in the morning, so I'm just showing you our nice decorated yard, and I'm hoping that you enjoy this. And my sister feeds the birds every morning and the squirrels, and there's even a possum who comes around. And I know that there's people who say, ooh, possums, but you know what? Possums are good critters. They actually take care of some of the nasty critters that we don't want around. This is where we feed the squirrels, and this is for the cats. These some more decorations that we put up not too long ago. And this bench that you see, this shelf that you see that runs all the way across, is a catwalk. One of my sister's cats was kind of chased out when I moved in by one of my cats, which is really sad, but it's what happened. And so we built this catwalk, or we had help to build this catwalk. And this is where the bird feeders are. So that's where she feeds her cat. Oh, let's see, that glares. The sun is coming down over there. So here we are. This is where the bird feeders are. So in the morning, I'm going to try to get some pictures of some birds for everybody, or some squirrels. We have blue jays and cardinals and doves, tons of doves that come around. But it's enjoyable to watch them play. And what's really funny is sometimes you see the squirrels trying to chase the birds off, because the birds will come over here and try to eat the squirrels' food, and the squirrels don't like it. So I just thought I'd show you this evening in this. Try not to go right into the sun anymore. So that's our back porch where we sit sometimes. And I'll try to show you these at night, the solar lights. This is our parrot, our guard parrot, who watches over our front gate and makes sure that we're safe from all of the spying flamingos. But so this is the view out our gate, and we have a beautiful front yard too. But I'm not going to show you that tonight. I'll show you more tomorrow when I take some pictures. Hopefully can get some video of some birds in the morning. It's really too hot right now. We're under heat advisory here in Houston. This is our faux garden, by the way. No weeds to have to pull. We're under a heat advisory here in Houston, and so I have been kind of confined to the house during the day, but I can come out in the mornings before it gets too hot. Anyway, isn't this really cute? We just, my roommate just added this little lizard guy, and these ladybugs, and this dragonfly. She recently repotted this whole plant. It was really looking pretty bad, but it's so pretty now. She's really, as much as she doesn't like gardening, it's hard on her because of her disability. She loves, the beautiful yard. So anyway, I will try to show you some more of our yard when I get the birds tomorrow morning. Okay, see you later. Bye. beautiful night here. It's about 10 o'clock, and these are the lights that we have that light up at night. And the rest of the yard is pretty dark, so you really only see the lights. We have 2 of these globes here, but one of them, for some reason, the light bulb is not working, and I need to replace it, so I'm going to have to do something. But we have, go this way, we do have a spotlight on our flag, because that is the correct way to display a flag. If you're going to display a flag and leave it up at night, it is the correct way to do that is with a spotlight. We also have these 2 globes on our patio that are really pretty at night. And in the daytime, they sparkle with copper, and at night they light up in the middle. So with those 2, we might change these out. Cindy, my roommate, she's not really thrilled with them, but we'll see. The only other night thing that we have that lights up is that little owl right there. He has light up eyes, and they're a little freaky, so one of these days we might get rid of that. But so now you've seen our house all through the day, and look at that beautiful moon. All right, I'm signing off. Bye.